Afternoon, Master Tanaka. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, friend Helena. We are a gathered fraternity, and we are always here to guide all beings. When you are on the earth plane and begin to generate experiences with each other, what must always be present within your beings is a desire to create a process of understanding. So, when you start sharing experiences of understanding, where you are determining that what you are accomplishing is being guided to all beings, that what you are establishing can be expanded, and within that expansion, you are also expanding in a way where everyone can again generate a process of self-understanding, then we posit that this becomes appropriate. Many times, you hear that it is necessary to maintain, or to be active again, on planet Earth a consciousness of being fraternal. This fraternity, which many have come to interpret as being an organization, always remembers that this is not true because fraternity is a state of being. When you started to call the groups fraternities, you came to interpret that the fraternity has a meaning or an interpretation attached to that group. Still, when we are gathered here, we are here to guide you to become aware that this fraternal spirit is already present within all beings. It is said that everyone has within them the consciousness of being God. When you allow yourself to manifest this consciousness and to live this consciousness of being God in your own experience, of course, it becomes favorable to all beings. Remembering that God is not a religion, remembering that God is only a state of permission will cause you to also command this permission to yourself, and through what you come to determine to be your desire on an incarnated plane, of course, that desire, too, becomes more geared towards what you call understanding. So, to live a fraternal spirit, it does not ask for anything different from what you have within you, but what it asks is that you look more at yourself and begin to generate a process of reinterpretation. Always be focused on self-understanding. Always be focused on accepting that peace can be established among all beings. So, when you generate this orientation, of course, within what you call the family, we always say that this fraternal spirit begins there because you all have this family, you have an interpretation of the meaning of the family, and when you reinterpret the family as being a fraternity, where you practice this fraternal being is what we put that becomes favorable. It is from this point on that you will understand that your family is not only this group of people but that your family is precisely all of humanity. And from the moment you become more aware, of course, you also come to understand that your family is precisely on planet Earth. Then, this Earth, which is Gaia, comes to be interpreted again, and through this reinterpretation, the attitude that you have towards yourself becomes always oriented more favorably. With these words, I bid you farewell. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.